Hi, I'm Danny Sullivan, General Manager at Tech Renovations. In this commercial roofing segment, I will cover the details of commercial modified bitumen roofing solutions. Modified bitumen roofing is a type of roofing material made from asphalt that has been modified with polymers to increase its elasticity, durability, and resistance to weathering. It is often used in flat or low-slope commercial roofing and is known for its ability to expand and contract with temperature changes. Modified bitumen roofing is typically applied in layers, with the bottom layer serving as a base for the subsequent layers. This top layer is typically coated with a reflective material to reduce the amount of heat absorbed by the roof. This type of roofing can come in a variety of colors and styles, including smooth, granulated, or textured surfaces. It can also be reinforced with materials such as fiberglass or polyester to provide additional strength and durability. Modified bitumen roofing is a popular choice for commercial and even residential roofing projects due to its affordability, versatility, and durability. So let's run down the list of the top benefits of choosing modified bitumen as a commercial roofing solution. First, durability. Modified bitumen roofing is tough and can withstand extreme temperatures, harsh weather conditions, and UV rays. It has a long lifespan, typically lasting up to 20 to 30 years with proper maintenance. Second, versatility. Modified bitumen roofing can be installed on a variety of roof surfaces, including flat and low-sloped roofs. It can also be customized to meet specific roofing needs, such as different colors and styles. Third, energy efficiency. Modified bitumen roofing can be installed with reflective coatings that help reduce heat absorption and lower energy costs by keeping the building cooler in hot weather. Fourth, waterproofing. Modified bitumen roofing is designed to be waterproof and provide excellent protection against leaks and moisture damage. Fifth, ease of installation. Modified bitumen roofing is easy to install, making it a cost-effective solution for roofing projects. And lastly, low maintenance. Modified bitumen roofing requires minimal maintenance and can be made easily repaired if damaged. What does modified bitumen roofing cost? As I mentioned before, modified bitumen roofing is affordable. With that being said, modified bitumen roofing can vary in cost depending on several factors, such as the size of the roof, the complexity of the installation, and the type of modified bitumen being used. Compared to other roofing materials, modified bitumen roofing can be considered a cost-effective option. It is typically less expensive than traditional built-up roofing systems and can be installed more quickly with less labor. Additionally, its durability and low maintenance requirements can result in long-term cost savings for the building owner. If you are considering a modified bitumen roofing solution for your commercial property, or you need repairs and maintenance for an existing modified bitumen roof, reach out to Tech Renovations for a free consultation and estimate. Our team of highly skilled roofing technicians are certified, bonded, and insured. Tech Renovations is a local, family-owned company that has served Kansas and Missouri business owners for over 20 years. Our attention to detail and passion for perfection is what sets us apart and makes us the superheroes of our industry. We are also a Better Business Bureau A+ rated company, and we have a 5-star Google rating. Tech Renovations, we take great pride in providing every customer with our white glove treatment. We look forward to providing you with the very best commercial roofing products, service, and satisfaction.